Let's look at the next scenario. Now this problem is identical to the previous one. Well, almost. The value of assets and liabilities taken over are the same. Consideration for the buyout is the same. Part settlement in cash is the same amount. Hence, even the first entry to record the event of acquisition of assets, assumption of liabilities, the consideration therefore, and the balancing figure of goodwill is the same. Yet, the subsequent entries seem to vary just that little bit. The part settlement in cash is a separate event in the previous scenario. In this problem, we are to assume that the debentures were issued in a joint operation along with the cash settlement. Hence, the recording of the combined settlement by cash and through the issue of debentures in one compound entry. In effect, there is no difference. The form of the entry, that is whether the cash settlement is a separate entry or a compound entry combined with the debenture issue, depends on the sequence of events listed in the problem. The journal entry for the first case, that is where the debentures are issued at par, vendor account debit to cash account credit to debenture account credit. In the case where we are asked to assume that the debentures were to be issued at a premium, the journal entry is vendor account debit to cash account credit to debenture account credit to securities premium reserve account credit.